We are at Place Ville in Montreal, Quebec, right here. This is the 4th tallest building in the city of Montreal, and it has an observatory at the top that opened in 2016. It was built in 1962, and is the 4th tallest building in the city, and is 47 floors. With that being said, we're going to take the elevators up to the observatory, and we're going all the way to the very top of this beautiful landmark building in the city, and we're going to get some amazing views. With that being said, let's go inside and ride the elevators up. Here we go. We are going to ride the observatory elevators at Place Ville.
And take a left here, and you click on pH 2 on your elevator. Okay? Thank you. Welcome.
Yeah, I'm guessing we're headed to the observatory elevators. Oh yeah, here they are. Press the call button. Blue Dewhurst call button. This is a brand new elevator, right? They've added the top floor on the observatory, I think last year. You can see. I like that button. Pretty cool button. Here it is. Oh, this one's modded, but... Oh, oh, you pressed PR? Yeah, the buttons. Ooh, this is a destination dispatch elevator, actually, but... weird, it doesn't have the panel in the lobby. I think this one's an Otis, actually. See all the floors we're traveling up. All the way up to the top. Oh, we take another one up.
Yeah. You're at 43, you need to be at 46.
Wow.
What is this?
Some type of Dewhurst button. I think Dewhurst US 91 BB, something like that. Here on 46.
Cet ascenseur descend.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. How are you? Good?
Good.
Yeah. So welcome. And the summit, we have 2 floors to visit. We have that one. Then you take the stairs. On your right, 1 floor down to see the exit.
Okay.
And at the time, we're going to watch short videos about daily life in Montreal. If you like a video, you just pass your wristband on the house. The house is going to appear on the screen. And by the end, the system knows the thing that you're looking for, and it suggests you some activities you in Montreal. Feel free if you have any question. Enjoy the visit.
Thank you.
Here, you can get a view of... Wow. You can see the top of 1001 McGill College. There's McGill University and the old Royal Victoria Hospital. There's Montreal right there. And you can see some of Plateau Montreal, and there's the KPMG Tower. And yeah. Oh, we're pretty close to the old city. I can see it over here. Oh. Beautiful looking observatory up here. You can see there's the tallest building in the city right there. And there's Tour de la Bourse, CIBC building. And over there you can see the old city over there. You can see the old city, we're real close to it. Or some of it. Oh, that's CIBC, my bad. I'm guessing I was looking at the TELUS Tower. Oh wow, on clear days you can see the state of New York and some parts of Vermont. Wow. It said on a clear day you can see the Adirondacks and parts of New York and the state of Vermont. And down there, there's the Queen Elizabeth Hotel down there, which is not yet open from the renovations. There's the tallest building, and they said it was going to be open in time for the 375th birthday of Montreal, along with Canada's 150th birthday, and it's not open yet.
I think I'm glad we didn't look there.
And right there's the Marriott Chateau Champlain, aka the Cheese Grater Tower. And there's...
Which one?
Right there. Can you see it? And right there...
The one with the Marriott on top?
Yeah, that was where we stayed.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't realize that.
And right there is 1250 Rene Levesque, which is the second tallest in Montreal. And there is, you can see a little bit of the Sun Life building, that Art Deco skyscraper. And 110 Rene Levesque in the CIBC building. So yeah, and you can see Place du Canada next to the Chateau Champlain, and the Deloitte Tower and the Windsor Station.
I'm getting your reflection.
Sorry.
It's okay.
And over there on the mountain you can see the Montreal General Hospital. You can see all the way in the distance, that's Westmount in the distance. Very beautiful city. And
yes, when we stayed over there, I took a picture of this building.
Yeah, you did. And you also got those buildings and stuff, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And there is the evacuation map. And you can see the top of 1501 McGill College, I think that's the name of the building. And next to it is Bell Media Center. You can see the Scotia Bank building. And you can see... Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, you can see the clouds over there. And I'm not sure if I can show it. Let me see. And right here you can see the top of the building I filmed at that has the 23-story Otis Lexans. That's 2001 McGill College. Very beautiful place. And right there is the famous La Bay store, which features the most famous elevators in the city. And we all know they got beautiful vintage Otis sensitives there. And there's Place des Jardins. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but yeah, I didn't. But yeah. And you can see the Olympic Tower in the distance, which sadly appears to be shut. And you can see the Olympic Stadium as well. Alright, are you ready to head down, or?
Down one floor?
Okay, we can do that. Because it looks like you can head down one floor as well.
You said you take the stairs down.
Yes. Yeah, right here. Take these steps down. Stop, pick your missions, hit the streets. Do this. I don't know how this works.
Do you have a heart? You have to match it up.
Can I get you to work? No. Can't get it to work. Oh well. This is the exhibition hall. There's some books here. Oh, there's an outdoor part to the observatory too, huh? Cool. Language. interesting. Yeah, Montreal is a very bilingual city. Let's see. And there's the hotel I'm staying at, which is the Marriott. Old Montreal. Okay.
Is it working on you?
No.
Scanning problem on yours, that's what he says.
Yeah. Oh well. Ready to head down? Alright, let's take these elevators down. Cool Dewhurst buttons. They're new. Loud bell. Go here to PH.
Cet ascenseur descend. Cet ascenseur descend. Cet ascenseur monte.
Yep, this is... Alright, let's watch those shut. Okay. Now to head down the main elevators. Let me get my... Alright, now we're gonna head down the express elevators here.
You have your wristband?
Yeah. One of them came. Oh no, that was one of the ones that go up to the observatory. Sorry.
Hello.
Nice classic leveling. Yeah, that's definitely an Otis lantern, so I think Otis modded these. I'm gonna go push. Let's go down to GB. Oh, RC? It won't light up now. Yeah. Cabs are nice. They're black. Alright, let's go up to RC.
Nope, but this is where we came.
Yeah, this is where we came, so. Anyways, there it goes. That's it.